Question 250 says, for which values of x is the following expression real? So the following expression, as we can see, is minus x plus 1 plus x squared all over x cubed minus 8. And if we have to solve for the values of x for which this expression is real, we need the denominator to be greater than 0, and we need the denominator not to be equal to 0, and we also need what's underneath the square root to not give us a negative number. So this cannot be 0, and it cannot be 0, and it cannot be less than 0. So therefore x cubed minus 8 should be greater than 0. And solving for this, we get x cubed is greater, and we take the cube root of both sides, we get that x should be greater than 2. But in case you're wondering about this other one that could also affect the reality of our expression, if that is a real word. So x plus 1 would also need to be greater or equal to 0. But as you can see, x would only need to be greater or equal to 1 for this one. But this one has a higher restriction, therefore we go with this one. And x is greater than 2 is A, and that's the answer.